Okay. Hey guys, my name is Leisha, and today I'm going to be showing you how to be factoring quadratic equations. And today we're going to start with the first equation: x squared minus 10x plus 21 equals 0. So the first thing you want to do is find the factors of 21, because we're looking for two numbers. When they're multiplied together, they give you 21, and when they're added or subtracted together, they give you 10x, negative 10x. So the factors of 21 are 1 and 21, and 3 and 7. Now, 3 and 7, when they added together, gives you 10. And then when they multiply together, they give you 21. So those are our factors. So now, what you want to do is, you want to put them in factored form. So x minus 3, x minus 7. And to make sure we have the correct one, you can factor it out again by using the FOIL method. So, our distributive formula. So that's basically going to give us the same answer we had in the beginning, which is x squared minus 10x plus 21. Anywho, so basically we're going to solve for x. So there are two equations, x minus 3 and x minus 7. So add 3 on both sides, and that will give you x equals 3, a positive 3. And then we're gonna add 7 on both sides, and that will give us x is equal to a positive 7. And that is all. So in the second part of this video, we are going to learn how to solve quadratics using the quadratic formula. Our first equation is going to be 4x squared minus x equals 5. So the quadratic formula states that a, b, and c are the first three factors. So what we're going to do, we're going to basically put them in form. Put the equation in the form. So what we'll have to do actually is minus 5 from both sides. So that will give us 4x squared minus x minus 5 equals 0. So this will be our A, B, and C. So then, since this is B, the equation states that the negative of B plus or minus the square root of B squared minus 4A multiplied by C over 2A is equal to f of x. So we're going to plug in the numbers in this equation. So first we have negative x plus or minus the square root of x squared minus 4 multiplied by 4 and 5 over 2 multiplied by 4. And we are going to solve for this. Now, this will give us 1 plus or minus the square root of 1 plus 80 over 8. So to simplify, it would be square root of 81 over 8. So the square root of 81 is actually 9. So 9 over 8, don't forget the plus or minus 1, is equal to x. So now we have reached this stage. We're going to solve for this equation using either both plus and minus. So we're going to separate it into two different solutions. So x can equal to 1 plus 9 over 8, or x can be equal to 1 minus 9 over 8. Now these two solutions will give you x is equal to -1 and 5 over 4.